From Ticker News, this is Ticker Today.
Hi, I'm Nathan Langridge. Australia has become the first country to ban social media for children under 16, blocking access to platforms including TikTok, YouTube and Instagram from midnight. 10 major platforms must comply or face fines up to $49.5 million under the new law. The ban is being closely monitored by other nations considering similar measures amid concerns about social media's impact on children's health. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese stated the ban aims to support young Australians and reduce pressure from social media. Most platforms have agreed to comply using age inference methods, while a High Court challenging regarding the ban is pending. Concerns have been raised that the ban could isolate some young individuals and worsen their mental health. And President Donald Trump is urging Ukraine to accept a peace-crafted deal as he believes the country is losing the conflict. He criticized European leaders for their perceived weakness that stated that Russia has the advantage in negotiations. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky maintains that he will not concede any territory in Russia despite US pressure. Zelensky insists that any agreement must include strong, legally binding security guarantees from the US. Senior US officials have claimed they are not forcing Ukraine into an unsatisfactory deal, focusing instead on ensuring Ukraine's long-term sovereignty. Trust between Washington and European leaders has declined, with a new US strategy suggesting that Europe may have unrealistic expectations for the war's conclusion. And OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has declared Apple as the company's main long-term competitor in the AI industry. Altman stated that the future of artificial intelligence will be determined through devices rather than software. He highlighted that current smartphones are not optically designed for AI operations, and OpenAI has recently recruited over 40 engineers from Apple, focusing on hardware development. This talent exodus has raised concerns regarding the impact on Apple's AI capabilities. As competition increases, OpenAI intends to release a new model soon to maintain its user base. And to the markets now. Stock futures are little changed ahead of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision expected on Wednesday. Futures tied to the Dow Jones individual average fell 7 points, or 0.01%. Investors are awaiting this week's final Fed meeting of the year, where a quarter percentage rate cut is widely expected. However, sentiment amongst the Federal Open market remains divided on the potential impact of future rate cuts.